You've just seen a brilliantly told story of two people living with dementia who made art with a global cultural impact. I'm about to introduce you to some of the outstanding individuals affected by dementia who I'm fortunate to work with here in the UK. Theirs is a creativity you may never normally see or hear about, though it brings an equal level of expression, enrichment and connection to the lives of people living with dementia now. You'll notice the support and solidarity that exists between the people involved in our film, a living example of the imagined support between Maurice Ravel and Anne Adams. We all agreed that a comfortable way for us to share this with you was through the form of a pre-recorded conversation in which we reflect on how we embrace creativity in our lives.
Music.
Exercise.
Concentrating.
Writing things down.
Reading.
Baking.
Colouring.
Performing.
Sewing.
Singing for me.
Painting.
And gardening.
And tell us about some of the things that you do, Lynn. What do you make?
So the old craft of making a rag rug. I think when you do make things, you can connect to people.
Do you want me to just show the future audience maybe one of the paintings that I've done? Or
That would be really wonderful.
I'll only show one. I'll only
Yeah.
show. Right, just bear with me. Can you see this is the Trevi Fountain? You know, it's taken me a long time to do, but I enjoy it. And when it's up on the wall in the frame, I think, well, all the hard work that I've done, I can see, you know, all the work. I can see all the hard work has been worth it to see it on the wall. I don't have any problems at the time I'm painting. It helps me. I don't feel I have any problems regarding dementia or mental health. The problems seem to slip away. They're in the background. That's how painting helps me. It's a massive therapy for me. And I don't think I would be where I am now if I wasn't painting.
I forget everything when I'm colouring. So it takes my mind off everything. So that's good. Relaxes me. At 2 o'clock this morning, I was writing a poem.
Wonderful. Would you be willing to share that poem with us?
Hey up, spring will soon be here. Daffodils, crocuses, snowdrops lighting up our pathway. Lambs frolicking in the fields. Leaves in the tree coming to life once again. So put a spring in your step and hope in your heart.
Excellent.
Thanks.
It was lovely, just true. I'm glad it wasn't me at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock in the morning is that your prime time for creativity?
It just came into my head, so I just wrote it down.
Could you not sleep?
No, I don't sleep good anyway, so just helps.
So for Eugene, that was the most important thing to him was music. He could play piano, he could play steel pans, and I could sing. I think Eugene was feeling uplifted and energized, and I don't think the dementia even came into play here. I think he just thought he was performing. And I think it changed their perception about what people could do, and that, you know, dementia didn't stop you being creative and doing the things that you really enjoyed. You know, it's nice to be able to continue that, because, you know, you get the diagnosis and you think, what are we going to be able to do? But it was really nice that we're able to bring that creativity. It kept him going. I think if we hadn't have done that, his deterioration in terms of the dementia would have been much greater. But I think
So Mick, I'm really curious whether you consider yourself a creative person.
Not really. Not really. Quite a few years ago when I was doing the gardening, I've always liked growing things on. I mean, I used to like growing tomatoes and stuff like that, and that was very good. But because of the way I am now, it's I can't do it because my hands aren't as they should be really. So, but I cope as the best way I can, and that's all I can do.
I know where you're coming from,
Mm.
and I fully understand.
You know, you just got to take it as it is and enjoy what you've got and be grateful of the good things and not worry about the future. Just enjoy what you have. Make the most of each other, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got a good wife, so.
Take
Bye-bye.
care. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
One of our group members chose to make his own film with the support of his family, and we'd love to leave you with this piece.